Introducing our new range of high-accuracy field of view vision inspection machines, the Venture FV series from Beatty. The Beatty Venture FV offers instant high-precision measurements and user-friendly software. The use of high-resolution dual-field telecentric optics and a 20-megapixel camera achieves a large field of view combined with class-leading accuracy. Boasting motorized autofocus, auto feature detection, and multiple lighting options, the Beatty Venture FV combines various measurement types in a single automated inspection. Instant reporting includes SPC and character recognition to automatically read and report individual part numbers during batch measurement, making it possible to measure and classify hundreds of dimensions in 1 second. The simple, intuitive software and user interface allows automatic measuring and dimensioning, as well as automatic import of dimensions and tolerances from CAD for simple, fast programming. Programmable LED ring illumination is standard on all FE models. An optional coaxial lighting can be introduced for parts with surface features such as blind bores. Discover the new range of high-accuracy field of view inspection machines from Beatty today.